Learning number with color filling. Let's start. Adding color into 9 diagram. Wow, well done kids. Adding color. Learning 9 number. Wow. Well done kids. Good work kids. Wow. Again, flower coloring. Adding different color into flower diagram. Wow, well done kids. Adding different color. Well done kids. Good job. Well done kids. Nine flower. 9 number with 9 flower. Well done kids. Adding different color. Good work kids. Wow, learning 9 number with adding 9 flower coloring. Good work kids.